Indoor battle ropes for beginners. It will not scuff your floors. Make sure you warm up. Do some arm circles, open your chest side to side. If you haven't done anything for the day, it's important to get warmed up before you get started. Side to side, side to side, side to side, and circle around the world. Let's go. Circle it, circle it, circle it. And alternating taps. Now you can do this for a little bit longer if you want before you get started, but we're getting ready to start. Make sure the rope is wrapped around sturdy furniture as shown. We're going to start with alternating waves. Let's go. Alternating waves for 40 seconds. We're going to be working on 40 seconds on, and then we're going to rest for about 20 seconds. If you need more than 20 seconds of rest, be sure to take that. Take water breaks often and inhale and exhale and breathe. So let's go. You're almost there. You're almost there. You got this. Don't give up. Keep going. Keep going. You got this. Keep going. The wave should be all the way to the furniture. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. If you can't do it standing, do the seated version. All right. Now we're going to breathe. Breathe. Inhale through your nose, blow it out through your mouth. Breathe. Take as much time as you need. If you feel like you need 30 seconds, then go ahead and take that. Now we're getting ready for the next set that's coming, which was slamming. It's a stagecoach with slamming in the front. Ready? Let's go. You got 40 seconds. Let's go. Slam it. Slam it. Let's go. You're doing great. You're doing great. Let's go. Slam it. Let's go. You got this. Halfway there, halfway there. Don't give up. Don't give up. Keep going. Hang in there. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there. And excellent. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Take some time to rest, and then we're going to get ready for the next set, which is outside circles. And don't worry if the ropes hit each other slightly, just keep rotating your arms like I am. Yes, 40 seconds. Let's go. Keep going. You've got this. We're almost halfway there. Hang in there. Hang in there. You've got this. You can do this. Hang in there. And rotate, 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 rotate. We're almost there. Rotate, rotate. Excellent. Breathe, breathe. Rest a bit. Breathe. Breathe, rest a bit. All right, remember to take as much time as you need. You can always pause it if it's not long enough for you to rest. We're getting ready for inside circles. Ready? Let's go. 40 seconds. And rotate. You got this. You got this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Look, you're almost halfway there. Let's go. Don't give up. Don't give up. Hang in there. Keep going. Yes, it's taxing. You can tell I'm having a time with it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Almost there, almost there. You did it. Now rest. Breathe, 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 breathe. You got this. Get ready for the next set, which is side to side. We're slamming. These are great for your abs. Side to side. Let's go. 40 seconds. Yes. Now you can go at your own pace if that helps you, but try to keep up if you can. Side to side. Halfway there. Keep going. You got this. You got this. You could do it. You could do it. You could do it. Let's go. Almost there. And breathe. Good job. Good job. Good job. So, are you ready for a second set? If not, you can pause it here. But we're going again for a second set, alternating waves for 40 seconds. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. You got this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're almost there. You're almost there. Don't give up on me now. If your arms are so tired by now that you're like, I can't do it, that's okay. It's okay to rest. And as time goes on, you'll be able to do the 2 sets. And breathe. Good job. Breathe. Breathe. You got this. Remember to take as much time as you need, and water breaks. Okay, we're getting ready for slamming the stagecoach, slamming in the front. 40 seconds. Let's go. Yes. Yes, I intentionally sought out material that is floor friendly. As you can see, I have hardwood floors, and I polish my floors. And if my floors didn't get scuffed up, then I'm believing yours wouldn't either. But just test it for yourself. Let's go. You're almost there. Don't give up. Don't give up. And breathe. Good job. Breathe. Breathe. I know your heart rate is elevated by now. You wouldn't think it's much of a workout because the weight is much less than your average battle rope, but it is. It's quite the workout. So let's go. Outside circles, 40 seconds. You got this. Keep going. You got this. Halfway there. Hang in there, hang in there. You got this. You could do it. You could do it. You could do it. Almost there. You got it. Good job. Breathe. 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 All right. Take as much time as you need, but breathe and rest, and we're going to inside circles. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You've got this. Keep going. You've got this. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. You can do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I know you're feeling it about now, but let's go. Let's go. Keep going. You're almost there. You're almost there. We're almost there. 1, and breathe. 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 You've got this. Your arms will love you. Your body would love you for this. Let's go. Side to side. Side to side. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Halfway there, halfway there. You got this. Keep going. side to side. Remember, your knees are always slightly bent, they're relaxed. And your back, you just lean in just slightly forward. So breathe, 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 and cool down. And let me know how this was.